Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. Got another package here to open up. It's sort of a bag. This was recommended to me by Tammy Rebel Canners either on or right after one of the live streams we just did. So got the bag here, and yeah, it is kind of a weird shaped one here, but it does have a zip pull on it here. Let's see if it works this time. It worked! Yay! Alright. And this is what it was. She recommended this because, it's a small thing of powdered milk. And it's what I need for using the bread machine when I'm using the ancient grains, the acorn flour and stuff like that. Because I guess it's classified as a low gluten flour, it's a natural flour. It's not manufactured to be low gluten. It's naturally that way. It's not like the modern wheats, which are bred to be high gluten and hard on your stomach. The old stuff is easy, but it needs some some powdered milk in the flour when I'm doing the mix to make it raise properly. So that's what I get this for. So it was less than $5 on Amazon, and it's something else about it that she said: no artificial growth hormones used in the cows for this came from. So that is good. All right. So almost forgot. Get rid of this. Bags just aren't the same. Those boxes make me do so much better. Anyways, I will be doing a video shortly. Let's see, maybe Wednesday, after I work out in the shop a bit, and I'll do some the old grains flour to make some bread with this here. All right, take care, and I'll see you around.